In our previous lesson, we talked about the users of accounting business informations. It's just like when you are setting goals for personally, professionally, and the business perspective. You are not just setting goal for setting goals' sake, but you are setting smart goals for the business and for your professional perspective and your personal perspective. So also, these users of business informations, the informations you are giving to the users to enable them to make decisions, the information should have qualities in those information you are giving out. And that is the reason why I said you are not just setting goals, but you are setting smart goals to grow the business, to develop the business. Are you getting it? And so every information you are giving to the users of accounting business information, there must be an element of quality in those information you are disseminating to the users of business information. And so today I am here to share with you, my viewers and my students, qualities of business financial information. Qualities of business financial information. It means that the information you are disseminating to the users, they should be qualified, specifically qualified. That element of qualities must be embedded in those informations to give them the key on how to take decisions in the business. And so, one of the qualities of business information is relevant. The business information you are dishing out or disseminating to the users of accounting information must be relevant. You know what I mean by relevance? It must be relevant to enable them to make decisions. Yes, because if the informations are not relevant, are not realistic, are not measurable, are not time bound, those users of accounting information will not have anything to do with that kind of business. It means the business is wasting their resources or the business is wasting their time. And so, every information you are communicating to the users or disseminating to the user must be relevant. Two, every accounting business information given to the users must be reliable and realistic. It must be reliable. You cannot, do a transaction in the bank. Then you will now bring it that particular transaction you did in the bank is not reliable. Once the bank has satisfied that information that yes, this particular information it is from us, it means that information you are bringing from the bank to the users of accounting information, such information is reliable and is realistic. But if you are bringing an information from an ordinary man, such information cannot be reliable. Yes. So every information given to the users in your business organization, you should know that information should be reliable, should be realistic, to enable those users to make business decisions. Yes, here comes number three. Every information you are giving to the users must be comparable over time. Must be comparable over time. Any information you are bringing must be analyzed, must be viewed, must be relevant, must be realistic over time. Any information you are giving to the accounting users, the business owners, the investors, the employees, the suppliers, the creditors, the lenders, which is the financial institutions, government and their agencies, and the public. All this information must be relevant, must be reliable, must be comparable over time. And number four, the information must be understandable, not ambiguous. Accounting information must be understandable. Yes, if you are saying that you did a transaction, you make a payment to A and Z company that supplied, wire, that information is understandable. You made a payment to a supplier who supply wires. That information is reliable and is understandable. Are you getting it? That is what I am talking about. Qualities of business financial information. Any information you are giving out, I want to repeat myself, as the owners of the business, the managers of the business, the information you are giving to the users of accounting information, the information must be relevant, it must be reliable, it must be comparable over time, it must be understandable, it must be realistic, it must be time bound, it must be measurable. Yes, these are the quality of business financial information. And so, my viewer, I want to make an appeal to you again that please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Thank you.